I've moved over to the opposite corner, and you can see that I've worked out the grounding around these acanthus leaves. There's a little bit of touch-up that you can do. The depth looks right to me. It's probably about 3/30 seconds deep, but it's enough. Now I need to also get the rib lines shown on these acanthus leaves. So I'm going to do that by hand with a pencil. I'll orient the little templates to help me with that. That pencil line. So these little ribs here for each leaflet, they're rough. They don't have to be accurate, but the spacing down here at the bottom of the leaf gets quite crowded, as you can see. So each one of these leaves need to have the ribs shown, and then I can use that pencil line to run the V tool and create a groove where each of these rib lines are. So right after this, I'll pick out a small V tool and trace over these pencil lines, and then I can begin to shape the leaflets. Now I'm ready to pick the V tool and create grooves over these pencil lines. This is a pretty small V tool, and I'm trying to keep a break with my left hand here. And I'm pushing with my right hand, but that left hand is there to break if something starts to move too quickly. These cuts don't have to be real accurate, and one pass isn't going to be enough. I'll get a little shallow groove there first, and then come back and work it deeper.